So welcome. This is Statistics 2, chapter 5, which is all about analysis of variance. So jirra jirtu harka fuune hordoftoonni Pocket Tube har'a boqonnaa shanaffaa qabannee dhufnee analysis of variance. Kanaaf boqonnaa tokkoffaa gaafurii already hojjenneerra gara duubatti deebitanii warroonni hin laaluu dandeessu jechuudha. Statistics 2 boqonnaa tokkoffaa afuraffaa kun immoo har'a boqonnaa shanaffaa analysis of variance kan jedhu kan waliin laallu ta'a jechuudha. Kanaaf warroonni chaanaalii keenya hawwataa ta'an chaanaalii keenya subscribe gochuun akka nu hordoftan dhiisadha. Warroonni chaanaalii keenya miseensa ta'an immoo viidiyoo keenya like gochuun qeeqaa fi yaada qabaattan immoo comment section jalatti nu kaa'uudhaan yoo eegaltan baay'ee bareedaadha. Comparison of mean of more than two population jedha. So generally analysis of variance karaa gabaabatiin ANOVA jennee kaa'uu dandeenya. The analysis of variance or ANOVA is a procedure to test the hypothesis that several population have the same mean. Kanaafuu population tokkoo fi sana ol ta'an mean wal fakkaata qabu moo hin qaban kan jedhu check gochuudhaaf kan itti fayyadamnu teknikni isuni maal jedhama? Analysis of variance jedhama. Kana jechuun used to test the equality of several mean. Meaning lamaa fi sana ol walqixaa fi walqixa moo walqixaa miti. Kanaaf meaning groupii lamaa fi sana ol jidduu jiru walqixaa fi walqixa kan taane kan itti check goonu analysis of variance jedhani. Actually we have two type of variance, one way ANOVA fi two way ANOVA jennee bakka lamatti qooduu dandeenya. At this level one way ANOVA yoo laalle gaadha in lal. So the name of ANOVA stems from the somewhat surprising fact that the set of computation of several variance is used to test the equality of several means. Kanaaf jechi ANOVA kuni kan dhufe computational science yookaan immoo several variance wal qixxeessuu kan test gochuurraa kan ka'e kan dhufeedha jechuudha. So when testing for difference in means of more than two population, we usually do not proceed by considering all combination of two population at the same time the testing for the difference in each pair. One, such approach would require several tests rather than just one. Two, if the individual tests were conducted using the level of significance alpha, then the overall level of significance would be higher than that of alpha. For example, if the null hypothesis says that mean 1 is equal to mean 2, which is mean 3, the probability of rejecting the true null hypothesis or committing type 1 error which equivalent to this one. So meaning 1 minus 95% confidence over square. So we want to test simultaneously for differences among the means of all the population, and we want to join a level of significance of the test to be alpha, or the probability of committing type 1 error jennee kana chapter sadaffaa irratti gaafa laallu isa sanaan alpha kan jennu jechuudha. So to perform this test we make the use of F distribution and used to make the method is called known as ANOVA. In order to use ANOVA we assume the following. So ANOVA fayyadamu keenya dura assumption sadeen kana kaa'uu qabna. Tokkoffaa all sample were randomly selected and are independent of one another. Two, the population from which a sample were drawn are normally distributed. If, however, the sample size are large enough, we do not need to assumption of normality. Sample size keenya garmalee guddaa ta'e taanaan normality suni assumption keessa galchuu hin galu jechuudha. Inni biraa immoo all population variance are almost equal. Kanaaf assumption sadeen kana kaa'uu qabna jechuudha. ANOVA fayyadamuu keenyan dura. So now this ANOVA is based on the comparison of two different estimates of the variance of overall population. So the variance obtained by calculating the variation within a sample themselves is known as mean square within, and the variance obtained by calculating the variation among the sample mean is known as mean square between. Kanaaf mean square within fi mean square between calculate gochuu qabna. Mean square within jechuun jechuudha variation of the sample among themselves. Sample masana hedduu variationiin mean isaan qaban jechuudha. Between gaafa jennu immoo sample lamaa fi sanaa ol gidduutti kan jiru jechuudha. So since both are estimates of variance, they should be approximately equal in value. Then when the null hypothesis is true, if the null hypothesis is not true, these two estimates will differ considerably. Yet kanaaf we have different steps to perform ANOVA. One is simply to determine estimation of the population variance from the variation among a sample mean. The second one is to determine a second estimate of population variance from variation within the sample. And finally, compare the two estimates, and if they are approximately equal in value, you have to accept your null hypothesis. So, jalqaba mean square within fi mean square between calculate gochuu. So, calculating the variance among the sample mean or mean square between jechuudha. So, among the sample mean, it is called between column variation or mean square, which can be calculated by this formula. So, sample variance can be calculated by this one, individual item minus the mean over n minus 1. Now, because we are working with the sample mean and the grand mean, let's substitute x bar for x and x double bar for x bar, and the k is the number of sample. So, it becomes like this. The average or the variance among a sample mean can be calculated by this formula. In the sample distribution of the mean, we have calculated the standard error of the mean by this formula. You know that cross multiplying the terms and obtaining this one, squaring both sides, you have to get the variance like this. So in ANOVA, we do not have all the information needed to use the above equation to find variance. Specifically, we do not know this one. So we, however, calculate the variation among the sample by simply using this formula. So we can't substitute these two to calculate this one and estimate the population variance. This will be given like this. Here n1, n2 up to nk are almost equal, and you have to use this formula to calculate the variance. So which sample size we use? So there is a slight difficulty in using this equation as stated. N represents the sample size, but which sample size should we use when different sample have different size? Amma sampling ke different size kan qabu yote maalifi ANOVAn kan fayyadu mean difference group to lama fi sana jiddu jiru wal qixa ta'uu isaa check gochuudha gaafa jennu sample numbering keenyas gara ta'uu danda'a. Kanaaf yeroo akkasii formula kana kallattii maan fayyadamuun baay'ee nutti ulfaachuu danda'a. Therefore, this means first estimate of the population variance or mean square between nj is the sample or j sample, and this was sample j sum, and this was grand mean, k is the number of sample, the k minus 1 is degree of freedom associated with SSP. So next we have to calculate the sample variance within the sample. Here you have to use this formula to calculate again, and since we have assumed that the variance of the population from which sample have been drawn are equal, so we would use any one of the sample variance of the second estimate of the population variance. So statistically, we can get the better estimate of the population variance by using the weighted average of all sample variance. So the general formula for this second estimation of variance is this one, and finally you have to get what? This formula. By combining these formula lamaan kanneen combine gochuudhaan dhumarratti you have to calculate f value by this formula. Right? So our last formula, which is very important for our calculation, this one. Kanaaf adeemsi yookaan processing hamma hangaa deemne kun hundi ishee kana calculate gochuudhaaf f value keenya calculate gochuudhaaf. F value keenya f probability distribution jennaani maa inni characteristics isaa maal fakkaata? What is the main characteristics of what? This f distribution. One, it is continuous probability distribution, and it is unimodal. It is unimodal. Kanaaf amaladni lammaffaa unimodal ta'uu isaati. It has also two parameters, pair of degree of freedom, d1 and d2. d1 is simply the number of degree of freedom in numerator, f ratio. Numerator jechuun kana mean square between jechuudha. Variance 1. Degree of freedom 2 jechuun immoo mean square within kan jennu kana jechuudha, which is n total minus k. jennee barbaaduu dandeenya. Again it is positively skewed distribution and needs to get more asymmetrical as the degree of freedom in numerator and denominator become increase. So it's also positively skewed distribution and the mean for the F distribution is simply calculated by V2 over V2 minus 1 where V2 is greater than 2 and the standard deviation is simply calculated by this formula for all V is greater than 4 because V4 0 any number over 0 define 1 define 1 and formula 1 and gamma example have a look at this example. So the training director of a company is trying to evaluate 3 different methods of training new employees. The first method assigns each to be experienced employee for individual help in the factory. The second method puts all new employees in training rooms separate from the factory. Third method uses training film and the program learning material. So the training director chooses 80 new employees assigned at random to the 3 training methods and records their daily production after they complete the program. Below are the productivity measure of individual trained by the method. Kanaaf amma asirratti dhaabbata tokko keessatti qacaramtoota haarawaa treeningii kennuu yookaan leenjii kennuu barbaadaniiti namoota 18 select godhan namoota haarawaa qacaraman kanas keessaa jechuudha. Sana booda treeningii methodology isaanii bakka 3tti qoodan. Inni tokkoffaani namoota experience guddaa qaban akka isaan wajjin oolan hojii isaanii ilaalanii training akka hojii sana baran godhan. Lammaffaa immoo hojiirra fuudhanii ruumii keessatti treeningii kennuu fayyadamanni. Sadaffaan immoo training film and program learning agarsiisuudhaan materiaalii garaagaraa agarsiisuudhaan leenjii kennan jechuudha. Sana booda data isaanii bifa kanaan record godhan. This is the data obtained after training. Training booda data argameera jechuudha. So bifa kanaan kennameera. Kanarraa miinii barbaaduu hin dandeenye kanaafis miinii isaa garaagaraa barbaaduu dandeenya. Standard variance isaa barbaaduu dandeenya. Sana booda alpha value nu kennama at 0.05 level of significance jedheera. Kanaaf amma kaayyoon keenya trainingin sadeenu different level of productivity kan isaan lead gochuu danda'an yookaan kan isaan fidan kan jedhu ilaalla jechuudha. So null hypothesis keenya akkuma reefu ilaalle yeroo hundaa there is no mean difference jedhee waan ka'uuf mean 1 is equal to mean 2 is equal to mean 3. Null hypothesis keenya immoo mean 2 is different from mean 1. Mean 1 is again different from mean 2 and mean 2 is different from mean 3. Or isaan hundi not equal to jennee kaa'uu dandeenya jechuudha. Sana booda alpha value nu kennameera. Degree of freedom isaanii tokkoon isaanii calculate goona. F table irraa immoo result kana barbaadna jechuudha. So result kana yeroo null calculated F value gaafa fennu lakkoofsa kana kan caalu yoo ta'e null hypothesis keenya maal ta'a reject ta'a jechuudha. Reject ta'a. Kanaaf isa gochuuf garuu jalqaba mean square between fi mean square within calculate gochuudhaan ratio isaa barbaadna. Ratio isaa almost this one ta'eera. Kanaaf so kanaaf do not reject null hypothesis ila. There is no difference in its effects of the 3 training program method on employees. Jara kanaaf asirratti criterion keenya maal ta'eera? Look, reject the null hypothesis if the F calculated is greater than 3.68 jedha waan ta'eef gaafiin kun asirratti xiqqoo gurgura qaba. Maaliif 8.3 tokko irra guddaa lakkoofsa sana waan ta'eef reject gochuu qabna malee do not reject kan jedhu kuni sirrii miti jechuudha. Asirratti sirreeffama gochuu qabdu. Kanaaf inni kun baay'ee dogoggora guddaadha. Yes, inni kuni dogoggora guddaadha. Because reject ta'uu qaba. Reject ta'uu qaba isheen kun baduu qabdi. Reject the null hypothesis because there is exactly the difference. Yes, there are a difference in the effect of the 3 training ta'uu qaba malee there is no difference kan jedhu kun sirrii miti. Maaliif lakkoofsi kun irra guddaa lakkoofsa kanaati sila ta'eef jechuudha. Kanaaf isa kana sirreeffama fudhadhaa. Basic example number 2. The departmental store chain is considering building a new store at one of the 4 different sites. One of the important factors in the decision is the annual household income of the resident of the 4 area. Suppose that it is preliminary study various residents in each area are asked what their annual household income are. The results are shown in the combined table below. Is there a sufficient evidence to conclude that the difference exists in the average annual household income among the 4 communities? Alpha value keenya kennameera. Kanaaf departmental story tokko maal gochuu barbaade story ijaaruu barbaade bakka 4tti yookaan bakka saayitii 4 irratti jechuudha. Kanaaf saayitii 4 irratti story ijaaruudhaaf garuu income level customeroota isaa yookaan household isaa adda baasuu barbaade jechuudha. Area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4 jedhee bifa kanaan erga area isaanii baasee booda kuni income level isaanii nu kennameera jechuudha. This one is the income level for each area. So, amma kaayyoon keenya inni guddaani, is there any significant difference between the 4 sites with the household or the annual household income of the resident kan jedhu check gochuu barbaanna jechuudha. Akkuma step reefu fayyadamne sana jalqaba total isaa barbaanna, average isaanii erga barbaanne booda standard variance isaanii barbaanna. Sana booda mean square within fi mean square between barbaanne calculate goona jechuudha. So akkuma barame null hypothesis keenya yaw walqixa ta'e jedhee kaa alternative hypothesis keenya immoo meaning kuni garaagarummaa qabaadhee kaa jechuudha. So alpha nu kennameera degree of freedom keenya bifa kanaan calculate gochuu dandeenya. Sana booda f table irra deemne value kana barbaanna jechuudha. So once value kana erga arganne booda null hypothesis keenya reject kan ta'u f calculated lakkoofsa kana kan caalu yoo ta'edha. Sana booda sana calculate gochuudhaaf formula keenya fayyadamne akkuma reefu maal goona calculate goona. So value nu barra arganne maal ta'e 0.82 0.82 immoo lakkoofsa kana gadi waan ta'eef null hypothesis keenya accept ta'uu qaba jechuudha. So null hypothesis keenya accept ta'uu qaba jechuudha. So maaliif asitti bareefu value keenya greater than lakkoofsa kana yoo ta'e reject godhi jechaa jira waan ta'eef sorry mandautiin kun baay'ee rakkoo guddaa qaba. Sorry inni kun reject jedha. No reject accept ta'uu qaba bar. Accept ta'uu qaba. Accept ta'uu qaba maaliif akkuma jenne maali irra xiqqaa waan ta'eef this one must be what accepted. Yes, it must be accepted ta'uu qaba. Accepted ta'uu qaba because there is no such difference jechuudha. So household income fi for community gidduutti maaliin hin jiru difference hin jiru. Kanaaf accept ta'uu qaba. Kunis sirreeffama fudhachuu ni qabdu jechuudha. So inni kaanu variance test dha. Variance test, the most commonly used statistical hypothesis test, use t-test, compare mean or other measure of location. Some evidence need to compare the variability also. So equality of variance test can be used to their own for their purpose, but they are often used as alongside with another method, example like analysis of variance to support the assumption that made about the variance. Kanaf variance test dha kun immoo variance lamaa fi sana ol gidduu jiru reefu mean population test goone ammoo variance test goone jechuudha. So in addition to comparing two mean, statisticians are interested in comparing the two variance or standard deviation. For example, if the variation in the temperature of certain months or for two cities are different, in another situation, the researcher may also be interested in comparing the variance of the cholesterol for men as well as cholesterol for what? Women. For a comparison of two variance or standard deviation, F test is used. F test should not be confused with that of chi-square test, which compares a single variance to specific population variance as shown discussed now. Kanaaf amma chi-square distribution chapter 4 irratti ilaalleerra. Inni suni the variation of a single sample variance dha. Inni kun immoo variance lamaa fi sana ol gidduu jiran check gochuudhaaf akka fayyadu garaagarummaa isaa beekuu qabna jechuudha. F test fi chi-square test. So have a look this hypothesis testing of population variance using sigma naught to denote the hypothesis value for the population variance. The three forms of hypothesis test about the population variance are as shown below. This one is general hypothesis, or this one, or this one. The same is alternative hypothesis. Is there difference of this one? So it can be articulated like this. So these three forms are similar to their three forms that we used to conduct one-tailed test and the two-tailed hypothesis test about population mean and the proportion in chapter 3 of the first module. One-tailed test and two-tailed test gaafata'u akkamitti akka adda baastan laalleerra. Bifa kanaan kenname taanaan two-tailed testidha. Bifa kanaan kenname taanaan immoo one-tailed testidha jecha laaluuf yaalleerra isa sana wajjin almost wal fakkaataadha. The procedure of conducting a hypothesis test about the population variance uses the hypothesis value for the population variance and the sample variance to compute the chi-square test static, assuming that the population has normal distribution and the test static can be given like this formula. So the statics for hypothesis test about the population variance can be given like this. This chi-square distribution with n-1 degree of freedom, as we mentioned in chapter 4. So now, after computing the value of chi-square test, either p-value approach or critical value approach may be used to determine the null hypothesis can be rejected or accepted. Have a look at this example. The example you can. So ST Lewis Metro Bus Company wanted to promote an image of reliability to encouraging its driver to maintain consistency schedule. As standard policy, the company would like to arrival times at the bus stops to have low variability. In terms of the variation or the variance arrival times, the company standard specifies an arrival time variance of 4 or less than the arrival time of measured in minute. Suppose that the random sample of 24 bus arrival taken at downtown interaction provides sample variance of what? This one. Formulate the hypothesis test to help the company whether the arrival time population variance is excessive or not. Kanaaf kun amma kaampaanii tokkotu baasii qaba. Baasii sanaaf hojjettoota isaa geejjibsiisuuf sa'aatii inni baasii isteeshinii sana irratti sa'aatii itti argamu sana check gochuu barbaada jechuudha. Kanaaf hamma saampilii fudhatee jira. Sample variance jira. Population variance almost nu kennameera. Alpha value nu kennameera. Kanaaf kana fayyadamuudhaan null hypothesis keenya accept yookaan reject goona jechuudha. Asitti maal jedha null hypothesis keenya? The variance of population is less than or equal to 4. That alternative hypothesis keenya immoo greater jedhee jalqaba jechuudha. Degree of freedom in v is equal to n-1 dha. N keenya 24 sila ta'eef 23 ta'a. Alpha value nu kennameera. So chi-square from table can be obtained 35.17. Therefore, if chi-square calculated value is less than chi-square table, this one we have to accept, otherwise what? Reject the null hypothesis. So we can calculate and obtain this number. Therefore, this number is less than what? This number. As a result, null hypothesis keenya maal ta'e jechuudha? Accept ta'eera jechuudha. Kanaaf inni kun sirriidha jechuudha. So hypothesis testing for difference between two variants amma immoo variance keenya lama yoo ta'e. In some statistical application, we may want to compare the variance in product quality resulting from two different population processes. The variance in assembly times for two assembly method or variance in temperature for two heating device. In making comparison about two population variance, we will be using data collected from two independent random sample from population 1 and another population 2. The two sample variance S1 and S2 will be the base of making inference about the two population variance. Whenever the variance of the two population are equal, the sampling distribution of the ratio of the two sample can be given by this formula as follows. So the sampling distribution of S1 over S2 when the standard deviation of population is almost equal. Whenever independent simple random sample of size N1 and N2 are selected from the normal population with equal variance, the sampling distribution F can be calculated by this formula, that is S1 over S2, where n-1 degree of freedom for numerator and n2 minus 1 degree of freedom for denominator. So S1 is the sample variance as random sample N1 item from population 1 and S2 is the sample variance of the random sample in one other population 2 jedhu. So kun immoo yeroo variance in population keenya wal qixa ta'ee karaa ittiin equal variation yookaan variance of sample distribution ittiin check goonudha jechuudha. Mee kana example dhaan ilaallu. Example keenya maal jedha? Suppose Haramaya University plan to purchase service bus for coming year and must meet select one or two bus company, the Mercedes company or the Dow company. We will use the variance of arrival or pickup delivery times as a primary measure of the quality of the bus service. Low variance value indicate that the more consistent and the higher quality service. If the variance of arrival times associated with the two services are equal, Haramaya University administrator will select the company offering the better financial term. However, if the sample data of the bus arrival times of the two companies indicate a significant difference between the variance, then the administrator went to give special consideration of the company in better or lower variance. So, a sample of 26 arrival times for Mercedes service provides a sample of 48 variance. A sample of 16 arrival times for Dow provides 20 variance. So, formulate hypothesis testing whether there is a difference between the service at alpha value of this one. Now, gaafichi maal jedha? Haramaya University service bituu barbaade baasii jechuudha. Kanaaf baasii kaampaanii lama filate Mercedes fi Dow kaampaanii jechuudha. Kanaaf gaafa kaampaanii lamaan kana filatu specification inni baasee maa inni arrival times isaati. Maaliif hojjettoota sa'aatii jedhame sanarratti kaasee fudhatee bakka jedhame sanitti deliver gochuu fi akka quality itti fudhate jechuudha. Kana check gochuu barbaanne jechuudha. Quality isaa wal fakkaataa ta'e taanaan kaampaanii gatii xiqqaadhaan nu dhiyeessuu danda'u filanna. Maaliif profitii barbaanna waan ta'eef gatii xiqqaan osoo argame bareedan. Garuu isaan lamaan keessaa arrival pickup isaa delivery time isaa bareeda kan ta'e jira taanaan isa sana filannaa jedha. So kanaaf formulate hypothesis and check jedha. Hypothesis keenya bifa kanaan kaa'ama. Variance standard deviation among the two population is almost equal jennee kana. Alternative hypothesis keenya immoo different area. Degree of freedom can be calculated like this. The alpha value this one, thus you have to simply calculate F tap, which is almost 1.89. Therefore, F calculated must be less than this one, so as to accept null hypothesis. Null hypothesis keenya accept gochuuf F calculated in keenya lakkoofsa kanarraa gadi ta'uu qaba. Haa ta'u malee garuu gaafa asitti calculate goonuu gatiin arganne kana waan ta'eef null hypothesis keenya dhumarratti maal ta'e reject ta'e jechuudha. Reject ta'a jechuudha. Kanaaf bifa kanaan calculate gochuu ni dandeessu. So this all about chapter 5. So thank you very much. We'll meet on chapter 6. Naaf chapterii shanaffaa bifa kanaan xumurra. Chapterii ja'affaatiin itti fufna jechuudha. Har'aaf garuu guddaa galatoomaa.